Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how everything works with print on demand, Printify, and Shopify. This is going to be a really great tutorial for you. We'll jump right in it. There's no doubt that print on demand is by far the best business model that's out there today. You could literally sell hundreds, almost 1,000 different products without ever touching them, without ever ordering them up front. I'll explain exactly how this works, and I'll show you the exact right way to do it. And if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I absolutely love print on demand. It's the best business model out there. You sell products without touching them, without ordering them up front. And there's really just one big key when it comes to getting your print on demand business up and running the right way. And that is choosing the right partner. Because your partner with print on demand, and I'll show you a little visual that explains this, they basically do everything. They produce the product, they print the product, they package the product, they ship it out to the customer. They basically do all the most important things here. And if you want to build a huge Shopify print on demand store, you need to use Printify. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly how it works. I'll show you their massive catalog with really great pricing. And, print on demand, it's incredible because you could literally sell millions of dollars of product without ever spending a single dollar on inventory. Your inventory is actually right here, this little PNG file, just like a JPEG file on your hard drive. Your print on demand design, right? What's going to be on the t-shirt or on the hoodie or on the shoes or on the blanket. There's so many different print on demand products, but you'll never actually touch the product. All you need to do is design the actual graphic, and I'll talk about how to get that done. You could use AI, you could use freelancers, right? And then that gets put onto a t-shirt or onto the product, and then you sell that in your store, but you never actually touch this product. It's really, really powerful. This is exactly how it works. You'll create print-on-demand designs, whether you get a print-on-demand designer to do that, or lately just be able to use really powerful AI tools to create your designs. You'll add those designs into products in your Shopify store. Really easy to do that when you use the Printify app. We'll go over the shoulder and I'll show you how that works. Once you have products into your store, of course, just like any product in any other store, customers can come over, order, and pay for those products. And this is the best part right here. Your job is literally done. Once we make the sale, our job is done. And typically with e-commerce, once you make the sale, really all of the hard work starts, right? Think about a traditional e-commerce store. You make the sale, that's great, right? You collect the payment on the storefront. Then you have to go out in there and get the product. Maybe it's in a warehouse, or maybe it's in your garage or in a closet. You have to go out there, package it nicely, get the right bubble mailers or the right boxes, tape everything up, package it. Then you have to deal with shipping, figure out the cheapest way to ship everything and get the shipping label, package it up there, get the UPS pickup scheduled or bring it to the post office, right? All of the hard work typically happens after this stage, but with print on demand, your job is completely done because as soon as a customer orders and pays, we collect our profit and the print on demand partner, Printify, automatically receives the customer and order information. So they get what the customer ordered, what size, what color, what their address is, all that information sent automatically, which means we don't need to pick up the phone or copy and paste anything. It's all automated. And then Printify will create the product for you. Let's say it's a t-shirt, right? They'll print the design on the t-shirt. They'll package it up. They'll ship the product to the customer. They'll even provide the tracking number to the customer on your behalf via email. So literally everything happens automatically. All we need to do are these first steps, right? Create our design, add the product to the store with Printify, and collect our profit. Printify then automatically does everything else automatically. And this is exactly how it works, right? You might have a little print-on-demand design for a cat t-shirt design. This is a real design that I had in one of my stores. It says, I work hard so my cat can live a better life. With the print-on-demand app Printify, you turn this design into an actual purchasable product. But remember, we're never going to touch this product up front because Printify will produce it on demand, right? That's the whole name, print on demand. They're only going to print this product when it's demanded. Here's another example, right? A day without beer probably wouldn't kill me, but why risk it? Another kind of funny design in the beer niche. We could turn this into a hoodie. And you see how important these mock-ups are. Printify provides really nice mock-ups so things look real. Even though this product doesn't exist until it gets ordered, we'll still have it looking really real and have a really great visual mock-up on our store. So Printify, highly, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you more, and I'll show you just why it's so recommended to all of my students. You see right over here, printify.com, and literally at this point, 1,300 unique products that we'll be able to add into our Shopify store. It's so powerful, literally free to use, global delivery. You can get started for free, and we'll log into my account and I'll show you exactly how this works. All you need to do, again, start with zero investment because you get the app for free. You could select from over 1,300 products. You add your design in there. I talked about whether it's an AI design, or you can even use the design tools right inside of Printify. And then you just start selling on your Shopify store. It's that easy. I mean, literally be able to get started. All you need to do is just follow along. I'm going to go over the shoulder right now. Click the link below this video. Click Get Started for free. Get your Printify account. And then you'll be able to follow along as I go ahead and add a product into my store. Okay, I'm inside of my Printify account over here on the dashboard. And if you haven't already connected your store, you can do it with the Shopify App Store here. Printify Print on Demand app. You'll also be able to do it right inside here, inside of your Printify settings. I already have my store connected, so I could jump right into the catalog. And you see that there's just a massive amount of different categories here, and Printify does a really good job of kind of curating products and categorizing products, so you could take a look at kind of different selections that make sense for your store. We're just going to kind of browse through here just so I could show you some of the really cool things here. And of course, everyone always talks about t-shirts and hoodies and sweatshirts. That's how Print on Demand got started. And no doubt those are staple products that you'll want to have in all your stores. But there's a lot of unique products as well. I'm not sure if you ever even thought about puzzles, right? Very easy to do. You just upload an image over here and they turn it into a puzzle. You see different piece puzzles all the way up to 1,014 piece puzzles. That's a real big puzzle there. You see things like short sleeves, hats, bottle cooler sleeves. I mean, just a lot of different crazy categories. And I really invite you to kind of take a look through all these different things: jewelry, phone cases, baby accessories, pet things, right? Always super popular over here. And, lots of different products. Pet food mats, bandanas, clip-on bandanas, tank tops, right? So the idea here is that you could really sell just tons and tons of different products, and we'll never have to touch any of these. And you see that all these are blank, and when you hover over them, it says your design, right? That's going to be the whole process where we put our design on top of one of these products. And the Gildan 64,000, the soft style shirt, really, really popular. One that you could add to pretty much any store. It's going to be about $8 here, but if you're with Printify Premium, it's going to be only $5.92. We typically sell this for between $25 and $30. And I'll show you exactly how this works. As we click onto here, we'll be able to literally go and design our product. This is the process of taking a design and turning it into a purchasable product inside of our Shopify store. And I'll literally show you the actual live product in my store. Right now, we're in the designer. And there's a lot of different things you could do here. For example, adding text. You could look at some existing graphics over here, and you could literally just use these just as they are. So for example, we can come and click on that, and we can create this right over here. And you see, you have the ability to create different design elements and edits and all that great stuff right inside here. But what typically you're going to do is come over here to the upload section. And you're going to go ahead and upload your print-on-demand design. Whether you got it done with AI or maybe you got it done with a freelance graphic designer, you'll come over here and upload that here. So I'll show you how that looks. Okay, I've uploaded this little adopt local cat design. You see you can kind of rearrange it and change the positioning of it and all that great stuff. And we can also come over here to our variants and look at our colors. Right, maybe we want to offer black over here, and you see it definitely looks a lot better on black. And you could offer multiple colors as well. Maybe you want to offer black and red, that's no problem. Or maybe just black, totally up to you. See the different colors over here as well. Different printing options were on the front side, but you could also print on the back, and you could even create your custom neck inner label over here for some extra branding. Really, really cool here, and Printify gives you all those options. So we have our product set over here with our design. We're going to go with our black color. We're only going to go with that one color, but again, you could select multiple. And we're going to save our product and go on to the next step. The next step, now that we saved the products, we're going to be able to select our mockups. Remember, these are super important. This is going to actually signify what the product looks like to the customer. We won't need to do any photography or order any samples, right? We get all these high quality mockups. You see the different ones, even model mockups with people wearing your product directly in your store. You see the different options over here. I'll go with this one right here, and we'll select that. See the different mockups that we have and all the different images that we have as well. You could rearrange the order to have whichever one you want to be your primary. So we have this set up here for our mockups. We're going to go on into the next step here. And remember, we're not ordering this product up front. We're never even going to touch this product, but it already looks like a real product here. You see great photography, different model styles. We see flat photography. We have model photography. And now we're going to get into the details over here. We can have optimization automatically with AI, really powerful here because it's going to create different variations of titles and save you a lot of time, especially when you're creating a lot of products. And when you think about with print on demand, the more products you launch, the more money you're going to make because there's really no added cost to launch more product. You see, I'm going to launch this shirt right here and I'm never touching it. So we have over here AI optimized titles over here, including our title and description. I didn't put anything in here, but it understood what the subject of the shirt is. It read the shirt with AI and it created a title over here. So we have our title, we have our description. Feel free to edit whatever you want, right? Maybe you want to bold this over here, and maybe you want to underline this, and maybe you don't like this part, so you delete it, right? You have full control over that, and you see that it kind of does a great job. You could also click Optimize Listing and have AI run through it again. See some product safety information automatically added. You see tags that are automatically added. Printify also offers personalization. You can build a whole store just on personalized products as well. We come over here, we see our different shipping methods that are available, and we have economy shipping as well that we could add on here for USA buyers. Now we're going to come and look at our pricing. So we have right now set at $28.99. You see that our profit's going to be about 62 to 66% over here. Sometimes the bigger sizes cost a little bit of money. But, we're really at a really nice profit margin, $19.11 over here. Buyer shipping is going to be $3.99 to $4.75. They're going to cover that. So we're going to make about $19 in profit every single time we sell this shirt. And, we could change our price. Maybe we want to go a little bit on the lower end. We can go to $25, still making a really solid $15 profit. Or we could even go up to $30 on the higher end, make about $20 profit. So you could set your price over here. You have full control over that. We have basically the ability to hide in store if we didn't want to immediately launch this product live, but I want this to go live ASAP right now so customers can go ahead and buy it. You can select a collection or a category in your Shopify store if you want. I'm just going to have it go right to my home page, and it will click Publish. So what's happening in the background now is Printify is creating this product inside of Shopify. We don't need to do anything twice here. We create it inside of Printify, and it gets sent directly into our Shopify store. Literally this exact product, this title, those images, the pricing that we set, the product description that was generated with AI, Printify does it all for you to add the product into your store. So remember the whole process, all we need to do is make the sale and our job ends. Printify does all that work of printing and shipping, but they're also doing a huge amount of the work beforehand, right? We created the product inside of Printify. It created the mockups, the AI titles, the AI description, and it's sending it over right into our Shopify store. So I'll show you that now. Just like that, I'm over here in the live store. You see the URL. This is an actual live product that you could buy right now. And of course, this looks exactly familiar because we just created it right over here. Adopt local t-shirt, cute blue cat. And we have that right over here, right? This exact title, this exact price that we set, the different variant options, the colors, all the different high quality mock-ups, the product description. Remember, I made some changes there just for the sake of showing you. You could edit everything. It all gets sent right over to your Shopify store, right? And if you were a customer, if you loved, let's say, cats, and you wanted to buy a cat t-shirt, and you land on this store, you're going to have no idea that it's print on demand. This just looks like a normal model wearing this t-shirt. Here's a version of the t-shirt folded up, and here's another model wearing it. Here's just a stock image of it, right? You see, it just looks like a totally normal product that you'd find in, Walmart or Target, ready to go right now. We'll never touch this product. We could sell $1 million worth of this product, and we'll never have to touch it. You see, the customer will just click Add to Cart. Once they check out, Printify will gather all that information automatically. They'll start producing this, let's say, in size small, in black, with this design, and ship it to the customer, and even provide their tracking information on your behalf. It's just so powerful. So that was Printify. Again, highly, highly recommended. You see just how powerful it is, but also how easy it is. You could watch this video a few times. It really won't take you too long to get products into your store. You won't have to order them up front. You literally won't even have to touch them. And you could build $1 million Shopify business all with Printify and print on demand. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally, but make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got tons more print-on-demand videos, totally free for you to learn and master this great business. Again, the best business model online right now. So I hope to see you in my next videos, and have a great one. Talk to you soon.